morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the previous class we discussed about food groups, roughage and water and balanced diet. Hope you all have learned that portion. Today we will learn about preservation of food, rest, posture and exercise. Okay. First we will learn preservation of food. Children, do you know what will happen if you leave the food unprotected for a long time? Yes, if food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled, isn't it? Can we eat that food? No. Such food items are bad for our health. Then how can we save our food? Yes, this can be done by food preservation. Okay. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. Okay. We can protect or preserve food in a number of ways. First one is drying. What is drying? Drying is the process of removing the water content of the food. For example, if we place grapes in a flat container and leave it to dry under the sun, we get raisins. That means water content is removed in the grapes by drying. Okay. Next, pickling. What is pickling? Pickling is the process of mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. Children, have you ever noticed your mother preparing pickle? Yes. While preparing pickle, she mixes mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt and we get pickle, isn't it? So salt is an excellent preservative. Then next, refrigerating. What is refrigerating? Refrigerating is the process of keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, you may have seen your mother keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge, isn't it? Yes. Thus, these food items can be preserved. Okay. Next, deep freezing. What is deep freezing? Keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. Can you tell me an example? Yes. Keeping meat and fish in the freezer is an example of preserving these food items. Okay. Next, canning and bottling. It means storing food in cans and bottles. For example, we can say bottling of sauces and germs. Okay. Children, next we will discuss about rest, posture and exercise. Children, along with food, there is something very important for our body. That is proper rest, correct posture and exercise. Okay. First, rest. Rest is very important for our body for proper functioning. School children like you need 9 to 11 hours of rest in the form of sleep. It means you should sleep at least 9 to 11 hours every day. Okay. Why is it necessary to sleep? Because our body gets tired by doing various activities like studying, playing, going to school, etc. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body organs. This makes our body inefficient. It makes us fall ill. To make it work properly again, we need to give it rest. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Next, we will learn posture. What is posture and why is it important? Posture is the position in which we keep our body. That is, posture refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. Okay. If we follow correct posture, then our bones and muscle will stay healthy and we will not get tired quickly. For example, you are watching this video right now, isn't it? If you are watching it on the mobile or on the laptop and not sitting in correct posture, then you may feel tired quickly, isn't it? But if you have to continue enjoying this video, then you have to sit in correct posture. By doing so, you will not get pain in joints and muscles. We also look good when we follow correct posture. Okay. Now, we will discuss about correct postures which we should follow to keep our joints and muscles healthy. First point, we should not lean backward, forward or sideward while standing. We should stand upright. An upright posture is the correct posture to stand. Next point, do not lean forward or backward while walking. Look at this picture. This is the correct way of walking. Next point, while sitting on the chair, your thigh should rest flat against at the bottom of the chair. Feet should be resting on the floor and the back should be kept straight upright. This is the correct way to sit on the chair. Okay. Next, we will discuss about exercise. Okay. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Children, do you exercise every day? Yes? Children, you should exercise regularly. Okay. It has many benefits. What are the benefits? It makes our body fit and muscles active. Exercise burns extra fat of our body. Our heart beats faster during exercise and improves blood circulation. The sweat during exercise makes our body clean and cool. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. When we are fit and fine, we are also happy. Okay. Children, do you know an ancient method of exercise? Yes, that is yoga. It is practiced in India and also helps in keeping our body fit. Children, do you know when International Yoga Day is celebrated? Yes, 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. Okay. So children, today we learned preservation of food and rest, posture and exercise. This portion is in science book, page number 15. Okay. First, preservation of food. If food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. Such food items are bad for our health. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. We can preserve food in a number of ways. First one, drying. Drying is the process of removing the water content of the food. For example, drying grapes to get raisins. The next, pickling. Pickling is the process of mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. The next, refrigerating. Keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge. Next, deep freezing. Deep freezing is the process of keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. Next, canning and bottling. It is the process of storing food in cans and bottles. For example, bottling of sauces and jams. Okay. Next, rest, posture and exercise. Our body needs rest for proper functioning, isn't it? So, school children like you need 9 to 11 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body organs. It can make us fall ill. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. The next, posture. Posture refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. Next, turn page number 16. Okay. Next, exercise. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Now there is an ancient method of exercise, that is yoga. It is practiced in India and it also helps in keeping our body fit. Then 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. Okay. Now we can write the book exercise. Turn page number 17. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Already we have completed 5 question answer. Okay. Now remaining 6 and 7. Sixth one. Our body needs dash for all its functions. Fats, water. Answer is water. Okay. Seventh one. Dash refers to body position. Posture, yoga. Answer is posture. Okay. The next, choose the correct option. Already we have completed 6 choose. Now we can write the remaining choose 7 and 8. Okay. Seventh one, which of these would you use to preserve grapes as raisins? Option A, drying. Option B, refrigerating. Option C, canning. Option D, pickling. Answer is option A, drying. Eighth one, which of these can be preserved by pickling? Option A, mango. Option B, lime. Option C, vegetables. Option D, all of this. Answer is option D, all of this. Now turn page number 18. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Already we have completed 3 questions. Okay. Now fourth one. Foods preserved by pickling. Answer is mango, lime. M-A-N-G-O, mango. L-I-M-E, lime. Fifth one. Foods preserved by canning and bottling. Answer is sauces, jams. S-A-U-C-E-S, sauces. J-A-M-S, jams. Okay. Now we can write the question answer. Take your science booklet. Already we have completed 3 question answer. Now we can write the remaining questions. Fourth one. Why do we need to preserve food? Name any 5 ways of preserving food. We need to preserve food to prevent it from getting spoiled. The 5 ways of preserving food are drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. I repeat, why do we need to preserve food? Name any 5 ways of preserving food. We need to preserve food to prevent it from getting spoiled. The 5 ways of preserving food are drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. Fifth one. Why is it important to maintain correct posture? It is important to maintain correct posture because the correct posture keeps our backs upright while standing or sitting. I repeat, why is it important to maintain correct posture? It is important to maintain correct posture because the correct posture keeps our backs upright while standing or sitting. Sixth one. Why should we exercise our body? We should exercise our body to stay fit and healthy. I repeat, why should we exercise our body? We should exercise our body to stay fit and healthy. Children, we have completed the first lesson. Learn the portions daily. We can learn a new lesson in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.